Welcome to this lesson on articles with countable nouns. In this video, we will explore the differences between using plural nouns without articles and the when talking about things you can count. By the end, you will understand exactly when to use each one. Countable nouns are things you can count individually. For example, 1 book, 2 books, 5 apples. These nouns can be singular, meaning just one item, or plural, meaning more than one. This is the foundation for understanding articles. Use the article a with singular countable nouns. For example, a book, a pen, a student, a house. Remember, use a before consonant sounds like a dog, and use and before vowel sounds like an apple or an elephant. Never use a with plural nouns. You cannot say a books. When you have plural countable nouns, often you don't use any article at all. For instance, I like books, or she studies languages, or they have cats. This is used when speaking about things in general, not specific items. Compare this with the singular form. You say a dog, but simply dogs when talking about dogs in general. Use the when you are talking about something specific that is already known to both you and your listener. For example, I saw a dog. The dog was brown. The first time you mention the dog, you use a, but once it is established, you use the. The same rule applies to plural nouns. The students in the class means specific students we already know about. Let's compare the 3 forms. Use a book when you need one item and it is new information. Use books with no article when speaking generally or about many items. Use the book when you are talking about one specific book that we already know about. Context is everything. Ask yourself, is this new or already known? Here are 3 real examples. First scenario, I saw a dog in the park. We use a because this is new information. Second scenario, the dog was playing with a ball. We use the because we already know which dog. Third scenario, dogs need exercise every day. We use no article because we are speaking about dogs in general, not one specific dog. Remember these 4 important points. First, use a or an for singular, non-specific countable nouns. Second, use no article with plural nouns when speaking generally. Third, use the for specific, known countable nouns whether singular or plural. Fourth, context matters most. Always ask yourself, is this new information or something already known? Practice with these rules and you will master articles with countable nouns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.